Hi, it's Andrew Huffer here, standing here in one of my most favourite places of creativity, the kitchen. And somewhere where I'm really looking forward to being is at the IAF Asia Conference in KL in September. And the reason I want to be there is to help people at my session to move away from working on problems, challenges, gaps and issues with participants and shift them into the space to looking at solutions that they can own and change and do something about themselves. So I want to model the solutions-focused model developed by Paul Z. Jackson and Janine Waldman from the UK and actively demonstrate it so people can step through the process, see how I've adapted into a facilitation environment and actually use it for themselves to think about themselves as facilitators and where they want to be in the future. It'll be live, it'll be action-packed, there'll be plenty going on and they'll have some solid takeaways to use as well, and also get to see some online facilitation tools demonstrated along with the wave analysis, and they'll get direct access to the results right at the end. So thanks for your time. I'm really looking forward to working with you and I'm super duper looking forward to a really exciting conference. Thanks for your time.